What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can install SSD on your PC or how you guys can install a second SSD on PC. Now, suppose you have a running Windows and now you want to install an SSD. The process is very simple. First things first, obviously, it's the hardware thing. You just need to connect it to your computer. If you don't know how to do it, the process is pretty simple. You will have one SATA cable and one power cable. You just have to, put one cable into the motherboard and one cable is from the power supply. You just have to put the cable into the SSD and just place your SSD inside the case, and that's how easy it is to plug in. Once it is done, you just have to set it up. In that case, you have to have this PC. Just right click on this PC and then click on show more options, and then you will have to click on this manage. Now clicking on this manage will open up these settings manage open for you. Now here you just have to click on this disk management. Now the disk management will open this for you. As you guys can see, I currently have only one SSD, which is right here. In your case, you will be able to see it right here. And with that SSD, you will be able to see it should have one box and it should be black. As you can see, the black indicate it is unallocated. So you just have to right click on it and you will be able to see an option for, like start or setup. You just have to click on that, follow the procedures. It will want you to give him a key letter. As you can see, we have two C and D. You just have to select the one according to you, set it up, and there you go. Your SSD will be your partition and you will be able to get access it on this PC. So I'm just going to show you, you'll be able to see your SSD right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.